How to add a different billing address on Amazon.
Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we will be walking through the process of how to add a different billing address to your Amazon account. This can be especially useful if you want to have items billed to a business address or send a gift to a different location. So let's get started.
Accessing your Amazon account.
To begin with, log into your Amazon account. Make sure you have your username and password handy. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Amazon provides an option for password recovery.
Navigating to your account.
After logging in, move your cursor to the top right corner of the Amazon homepage, where you will see, Hello, your name. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Your Account.
Selecting your addresses.
Once you're in your account page, you'll find a variety of options. For this task, you need to locate and select the Your Addresses option. This will lead you to the page where all your saved addresses are listed.
Adding a new address.
On the Your Addresses page, there's a button labeled Add Address. Click on this to proceed. A form will then appear, asking you to fill in the details for the new billing address. Be sure to fill in all the required fields accurately.
Setting the new address as the billing address.
After you've added the new address, there's one last step to complete. You need to set the new address as your billing address. To do this, locate the address you just added and click on the Set as Default option. This will now be the default billing address for any future orders you place. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a different billing address to your Amazon account. Hopefully, this tutorial was clear and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Until next time, happy shopping!